Hello, this is I'm going to be showing y'all the new Master SpeedDial Series 1500 ID. This is the revolutionary new design that opens on movements instead of a actual number combination. Okay, it's a new package, who cares? I don't. Alright. But, I mean, it's Master Lock states that this is 3 times secure. It's the grade 6, if you want to call it. Okay. Pretty easy. I mean, once you go past 4 numbers, when you reset it, see, it starts going crazy. But I'm going to show you how to reset it right now. With the lock open, oh crud, I gotta take off the sticker. It's a tamper-proof sticker, so it's gonna. Yep, here it goes. Great. Okay. Alright. With the lock open, don't try to do this when it's closed, because you'll mess up the whole lock. Basically, all you do is take something, pull it all the way up to right, where it says, there's a little R on there. Right there, it's probably under the void, but you close it, clear it out, pull it back up, open it, put in your new combination. If you mess up here, just clear it, and then you can do it again. Like, put the safety back down, or the set lever. Okay, now it should open. There we go. It's a different combination, so clear it. You have to clear this lock, or it'll take you an hour to get it open. There it goes. That's the new SpeedDial. They have the customizable little, I put numbers on it. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. Boom. There we go. Yep, but I mean, they're, oh yeah, they're anti-shim. You can't shim these because the way I mean, even if you know the combination, it's hard to open. There it goes. But it has the shim guard plus the shackle on it. It's it actually, you can't shim this because it's down here. I mean, you could probably cut it, but I don't know. Never tried it. But that's what it is. It's the new Master Lock SpeedDial. I did that wrong. You can get them at Lowe's. I mean, basically everywhere locks are sold. This one was about $5 at Lowe's. Great thing about it, it doesn't have a key. You don't have to, all you do is remember movements, which I think is awesome because I don't have to carry around the key anymore. Yep, you can just, if you have any questions about the SpeedDial or any other Master series, just comment, rate, and subscribe. Peace.